Hello students, today in this video we will be learning a lesson from a computer book that is chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers. Before learning about evolution of computers, first let us know the definition of a computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device used for storing and processing data and carrying out sequence of operations. In short, it is a device which is invented to simplify the complicated task. Now, evolution of computers. Evolution means gradual development of computers. The history of computer dates back to very old times. It is the result of several years of hard work, inventions and discoveries by various individuals and organizations all over the world. History of computer started when man started to keep account of his belongings, especially cattle. Perhaps he started a counting number system by using pebbles. Now, let us see a timeline about the history of computers. In 3000 BC, the Chinese people they developed abacus, a counting device made of wooden frame and beads. In 1617 AD, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, he developed a manual calculating device named Napier Bones. In 1642 AD, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, he developed a mechanical calculating device used for addition and subtraction named Pascaline. In 1671 AD, Gottfried von Leibniz, a German mathematician, he developed a machine that could multiply and divide, that is, stepped reckoner. In 1801 AD, Joseph Marie Jacquot, a French weaver, he introduced punch cards in looms. In 1822 and 1833 AD, Charles Babbage, English mathematician, he was also known as the father of computers. He introduced difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. In 1887 AD, Lady Ada Lovelace, an English mathematician and writer, she was the first programmer. She introduced the concept of binary language, which is one of biggest and most significant invention in the history of computers. The programming language ADA is named after her. In 1943 AD, Professor Howard H. Aiken, American mathematician, he introduced Mark I computer, the first electromechanical computer. In 1945 AD, John von Neumann, an American mathematician, he introduced the concept of programmability, and in 1946 AD, 1950 AD and 1951 AD, Mosley, Eckert and others, they introduced ENIAC, the first electronic general purpose computer, UNIVAC, UNIVAC, the first commercial computer. Generation of computers. Each generation is defined by significant technological developments that changes fundamentally how computer operates. First generation computers 1942 to 1955. This early computer used vacuum tubes as circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. As a result, they were large, slow in operation, expensive and consumed lot of electricity. The two notable machines of this era were the UNIVAC and ENIAC machines. UNIVAC means Universal Automatic Computer and ENIAC means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Second generation computers from 1955 to 1964. In this generation, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors. They required less power and produced less heat. They were smaller, cheaper, and faster than the first generation computers. Third generation computers from 1964 to 1975. This generation were developed by using the integrated circuit IC technology in place of vacuum tubes and transistors. The computers of this generation were smaller, faster, and cheaper than the previous generations. This generation consumed lesser power and several transistors integrated on a single chip. Fourth generation computers from 1975 to 1989. The fourth generation computers were developed by using microprocessor technology. Computers became very small in size, portable, cheaper, faster, and started generating very low amount of heat. Now, fifth generation computers from 1989 to present. The computers of the fifth generation had high capability and large memory capacity, extremely fast, very small, and much cheaper than the previous generations of computers. This generation is based on artificial intelligence, example robots and nano computers, etc. The personal computer that we use today belongs to the fifth generation of computers. In the next video, that is Evolution of Computers Part 2, we will discuss about the characteristics and limitation of computers, and we will do some question and answers.